In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WP Travel Engine plugin and show the booking bar on the front page, a straightforward guide for both beginners and seasoned WordPress users. Let's dive right into it by starting with the installation of this powerful plugin. The first thing you'll want to do is install and activate the WP Travel Engine plugin on your WordPress site. This plugin is essential as it will handle all the travel booking needs on your website. Once you've successfully activated the plugin, you'll notice several features become available. Next, it's time to configure the settings for general and payment preferences. This is a crucial step because it ensures that the booking process is smooth for your users. Within the settings, you'll need to set your currency, which specifies how all your prices will be displayed. It's also important to enable payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or bank transfer. These options give your customers flexibility in how they wish to pay for their bookings and secure their transactions with ease. Let's move on to configuring the booking settings. This is where you can tailor the booking process specific to your business needs. Ensure that all your specifications align with what you're offering, reflecting the true value and details of your travel services. Once you've done that, add destinations within the WP Travel Engine. This is a vital part that showcases where your trips and packages will take the clients. Navigate to WP Travel Engine, then Destination, and add a new destination of your choice. This could be cities, landmarks, or any unique travel experiences you're offering. After setting up destinations, you'll now add the trips. Under the Trips section, select Add New and fill out all crucial details such as name, description, duration, price, and upload some captivating images to attract potential customers. After your trips are thoroughly detailed, hit the Publish button to make them available on your site. Make sure to assign each trip to its respective destination and category, as this enhances organization and user navigation on your website. Now let's focus on the booking bar. Head over to the settings within the WP Travel Engine and look specifically for the booking bar or search form settings. This enables you to configure specifics like the default destination, a date picker, and traveler count to better serve your users' search experiences. Remember to enable the booking bar on the front page, which allows potential clients to search and book trips directly from your homepage. If your theme requires it, use the shortcode WP Travel Engine Booking Bar to display this booking bar on the front page effectively. Finally, it's critical to save all your settings and refresh the front page of your website. By doing this, you ensure that all changes are updated and live for your audience to interact with. With these steps, your WP Travel Engine plugin will be all set up, offering a seamless booking process for your clients and enhancing their overall experience with your travel services. Happy travels!